Hi there.
Table for one.
Table for one.
Yep.
Yeah.
Just take a seat.
Anywhere or?
Sorry, there. Anywhere
Sure.
you like.
All right. Thank you.
Is the lunch all you can eat? It is $23.99 per
Sure.
person.
Let's do that one. Let's do the lunch all you can eat.
All right. Okay. I'll bring a QR code for you. You can scan.
Okay, sure.
Milkshake.
Oh yeah. Can I get one mango milkshake as well?
Okay.
Thank you. Thanks, man.
And you can just scan this QR code for me.
Oh, okay. Perfect. Thank you so much.
Mango milkshake, right?
Yes, please. Thank you. Like how many trays I can order at once?
Oh, 5 is the maximum per order.
Per order. Okay, thank you. Send it. Round 1. Let's go. Perfect. Chicken and beef. Perfect. Thank you. You already know Netflix. Oh yeah. Wow. It's a giant mango milkshake. Perfect. Thank you.
And this is they put the 5 orders
All
of bean sprouts into one.
perfect. Thank you so much. Sorry.
Did I change the grill for you?
Yeah, please.
Yeah, okay.
Thank you.
I'm gonna turn it off just a moment.
Thank you. Sorry.
Be good.
All right. Thank you, man. Sorry, we're in time to get the bill. Yeah. Card. Yeah, thank you. So the service is already included? Oh, okay, sure. I'm okay. Thank you so much. Take care. Thanks. Take care.